Hey friends, if you wish to remove the language switcher icon from taskbar in Windows, then please watch this video. Now this icon will be available only when language switching is available and necessary. So it isn't always available, but if it is, then here's what you can do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select typing, select this option here which says advanced keyboard, and then you can go and check this option which says use the desktop language bar when available. So if you are unchecking it, you are basically removing it, and if you're checking it, it will be existing. Return to the typing tab. Okay, first of all, the thing is also that this multilingual text suggestion should be on. So this should, if this is off, then you are also kind of disabling the language switcher, I mean at least making it unusable. And again, as I said, that if you want to remove it, you can. By default it is not present, but do you really need to do that? Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.